quick trade recap from this morning. Can see that the drawn liquidity is buy side. In higher time frame, we are in a buy side program. So I wanted to see us take the London lows before taking any entries. And after that, I wanted to see if we would use the first presented fair value gap. So we can see at the open around 9:15. Let's see. Or around 9:45, we took the 7:15 swing low. So if we zoom out a little bit, we can see 7:15 here. We came down, took out that swing low, and then I wanted to see if we could get back above the first presented fair value gap on the 1 minute, which we did. And you can see once we close above that, I took an entry, but I wanted to drop down to a lower time frame for a PD array to enter on, because on this 1 minute there aren't any PD arrays here really. There isn't much displacement. So dropping down to the 30-second here, you can see that we had this order block here. So I took an entry once we closed above the first presented fair value gap with my stop below this order block, and wanted to seek first this here, which was the swing high from this morning. So as we approached that, I took off the first two contracts, and then you can see I took one more off as we came into this here, which was Wednesday's PM first presented fair value gap. Took another off here, and then I left the very last contract just above break even, and we did end up trading through that. So that stopped me out, but I did have that one on, and I'm gonna come up to the 15-minute here. I had that one left on, seeking these relative equal highs here from Thursday. This, you can see Thursday we spent the whole back half of the day trying to get through here, and then when the markets opened up on Friday, which is technically Thursday night at 6 p.m., we created another swing high here. So we had a pretty large buy side liquidity pool, and that was the drawn liquidity that I wanted, but unfortunately I did not get it with this entry. But we did at least get the first drawn liquidity, and then we moved the stop in. So that was that for this trade. And as always, guys, good luck, good trading, be safe.